because today is the only time you're going to be able to get this at this price. It is your wildflower printed 3/4 sleeve top. It's $49.98. Your 3 easy payments, $16.66. If you're wondering about the top I'm wearing, that's what I'm wearing. Me and Crystal now. A681254 is your item number. Crystal looks so beautiful. She has it on.
She really does. You need to have this in your wardrobe. Yes. This color is really pretty. Beautiful on you.
Yeah. That's gorgeous.
I'm sorry, Monifa.
No, it is.
Right over you.
No, I was going to say, purple's my favorite color.
Me too.
So it looks great.
Gorgeous.
Love the purple. So she has it on in that lilac. I have it on in hot coral. Remember, Crystal does have it on in the medium. I actually have it on in the medium too. And then the last color is this beautiful, is that navy? Dark navy. Extra, extra small. 2 5X. Those are your sizes on this one. It's new today, only order of the year. You're the first to shop for this as well.
3/4 length sleeves, 100% cotton, really beautiful print done in these gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. Just so lovely. If somebody handed this to me, I'd be like, what a beautiful bouquet. Yes, and then we did add a little bit of rhinestone detail to this. So it's just picking up ever so slightly, just those accents.
I like it.
Right? I know, I love it too.
Just a little bit of sparkle. That's nice. Okay, hot coral already is our most limited option.
I'm not surprised.
I think we only have about 1,100 of these to go around. Remember, the price on this goes away the end of the day today, and right now you're saving over $10 off. You're the first to shop for it, so you know how it is at 2 a.m. That means this is Quacker Day. You might see this later on today. Yeah, so get it while we still have your color, and get it while we still have your size, because that's kind of what happens. And I love how we're pairing these back with the dream jeans that we had on. It goes so good.
Our team is so intentional.
Like with any of them.
With all of the colors that they choose.
Yes.
Because, you know, it's kind of like we do a little capsule collection almost every single month, right? Where all the pieces coordinate or go back to something else already in your wardrobe. I understand we all have limited budgets, and, you know, if there's one thing you can treat yourself to, you know, you choose something that's really versatile.
And it's on an easy pay, so it helps you out.
Nice.
It helps you to get this home. But it's good, too, because you can mix and match it with so many other things. That's what's nice, too, about these beautiful florals. Let's go through each color again, and I actually want to talk about the colors of all of these florals. So if you are shopping and you want to match it back with certain things, you can. So in this beautiful dark navy, oh, my gosh.
Your favorites. Your purples.
And blues.
And blues and the green. I mean, this is what we're all craving right now, I think.
Yeah.
You know, with the cold weather, like we're ready. I see, you know, friends on Facebook are putting up all of these signs saying 50 days till spring, and
we're counting down.
40 days till 7 p.m. sunset.
Right.
You know.
Right.
So we're all kind of craving this right now.
And it's starting to get darker late right now, which I've noticed, and that's making me happy too. So yes, anything that we can crave in this, even if it's a shirt. Oh, by the way, look at the back. Do you see all the florals in the back too? Okay.
Just like a garden.
Just so you see that, it's all on the back as well. So that's that gorgeous dark navy. Then, oh my gosh, this lilac that Crystal has on. Look how pretty that is. That has beautiful greens and blues. Oh.
Yes. So the colors are fairly the same, but what we do is we pop more of that green on the lilac. It's a little bit more neon-like.
Right.
I'm not saying, you know, it's
not
80s
neon
off the shoulder
all.
with your leg warmers neon. No. It just adds a little bit of
vibrant
pop.
green.
Yes, on that lilac, really, really stunning. Then those pops of blue are slightly different, you know, just with that bright turquoise or light aqua, if you will, a little bit of a deep turquoise.
Yeah.
Really beautiful job on this.
And remember, Crystal's 5'3", and she has this on in a medium, if you were wondering. And then the shirt that I am wearing, this gorgeous hot coral, which has been really popular as well. But look at how, like, this is what I mean by vibrant.
Yeah.
This is what, like, you just need a little spark of sun in these days when it's a little bit dark outside.
Yes, so yellows, oranges, a little bit more of muted greens here. Then you have some lilac and some purple. Really, really gorgeous. And I love how it's the same top, it's the same item number.
Yep.
but they all look
They
distinctly
do.
different.
They all do.
Yeah.
They all do.
And I
It's
was
20
wrong when I said the colors were fairly the same. They're completely
They
different.
are different. The florals are different. Like
completely different.
this gorgeous, like orange, this is the only color that's in. 26.5 inches to 32.5 inches long. That's your length on this. Again, brand new today, just arrived, only order of the year on this one. So it's a really good opportunity to get something brand new home for the season. All year round wearable too. So that's the beauty of this. 3/4 sleeves for our ladies who don't necessarily like to show their arms. And there's our lovely Angela. She looks fantastic in this.
Yes.
And remember, Angela's 5'9". She wears an extra large. She looks great in that gorgeous dark navy.
She really does. And
So pretty.
you know, a lot of people love the 100% cotton because it's beefy, it's rich, it's still soft. But what we have found is that by using the fabric, that's where we get a lot of vibrancy in this print. Because it not only are the flowers printed, the color of the top is printed on.
Nice.
So, so we get that nice vibrancy, something that's gonna last. I always recommend turning it inside out.
To wash it?
Yeah.
Yes, because of the stones.
Yes.
Machine wash, tumble dry. It's cotton. Breathable. So again, ladies, all year round wearable, which is really nice. You have great length on it. You have those little side slits. I have it on in a medium, by the way, if you're wondering. I'm 5'8". Angela has it on in an extra large. She is 5'9", and it looks beautiful on everyone. That's the really good thing about a 3/4 sleeve. I think it's that kind of sleeve length that people love. And then the neckline is nice as well on this one too.
Not too low,
Right.
not too wide, perfect with your beautiful heart necklace and a little earring, you're good to go. You don't really need a whole ton of jewelry with this, but you know what? If you wanted, if you had that big chunky beaded necklace that you got from an aunt or at the tag sale, whatever, and you want to show it off, you could totally wear that with
Well, it's been a popular blouse. Over 200 of these have been picked up so far. It's brand new today. You can only get it at this price today.
Yeah.
Just launched it. Again, we're celebrating the 30th anniversary of Quacker Factory. It is Quacker Day here at the Q. And so we're bringing you some really fun new stuff. Take advantage of it now because there's a possibility that this could be on later. But we may not have your size and we may not have your color, and you are saving $10 off of that QVC price. So the 3 colors again, there it is in that beautiful lilac. So if you're a girl who loves your purples, this is purple, right? But then look, you got the gorgeous greens in there and the other shades of blue in there. So how pretty, a little kind of hint of aqua. So that's your lilac. Then this is the color that Angela has on. This one is your dark navy, and this one is popular as well. And then look at the rhinestones in it too. Just gives it a little bit of bling, right? Nothing too over the top, just a little bit of bling.
Appropriate for the office, appropriate for work. Office and work, same thing. Sorry, I meant to say and services.
Yes.
You know, this is a beauty. You could dress this up with a skirt and a hat and go to services and be perfectly appropriate.
Easy peasy. And then the color that I am wearing, which has also been popular, hot coral. Coral's had a moment last year, still having a moment this year.
Absolutely. Well, coral looks great on every skin tone. May we do a little test?
We can.
Okay. Bronze skin, dark hair, light, you know, this gorgeous coral. Fabulous, right?
Yep.
Okay, now me.
Look at that.
Fair skin, blonde hair. Fabulous.
Yes. Fabulous.
You know?
Amazingly good. No, it's good. It's true. Coral is one of those colors that like everybody's finding that they look really, really pretty in. So that's why we want more of it.
Yes.
So it's been really popular.
Did you like my little test?
I loved your test. I loved the test. I loved the test. No, the test was amazing. We can do the test every time. We can do the test every time. 3 colors. That's it. 3 colors. But you got to make your decision now because this could be gone tomorrow. Do you want it in that beautiful lilac? Do you want it in this beautiful dark navy? That's the one that Angela has on. Or what about the color I am wearing? Hot coral. Maybe you go, that's a little bright for me. Get outside of your comfort zone. It's just fashion. It should be fun. It should not be like a big old pain and go, oh my God, is it coral? It's okay. Just get it home and give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. It's $16.66 on an easy pay.